This plant here will grow bushy red flowers. And this plant here will grow itsy-bitsy blue flowers.
What about that plant?
Ah,
A trumpet flower!
good choice, Jojo. This daffodil plant will grow a yellow flower.
Thanks, Jared.
Thank you, Jared.
Make sure you take good care of it.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hello, Cynthia.
Oh, good morning, JoJo, Gran Gran. Oh, what have you got there?
Jared gave it to me. I'm going to grow my own flower.
How lovely. A daffodil too. Just like my flowers.
Will my flower look like yours, Cynthia?
Well, if you take good care of it, I'm sure it will.
Maybe Cynthia can give you some flower growing tips.
Of course. It's very simple, really. A plant needs lots of sunlight to grow. And plenty of water. And if you take good care of it, you'll soon have a yellow daffodil flower.
Just like yours?
Just like mine.
Thanks, Cynthia. We'll take good care of this plant. Won't we, Panda?
Melanie hatched from an egg. At first, she was a little baby chick.
That's when you met her, Jojo.
Yeah, then Melanie started to grow bigger and grow more and more feathers.
Whoa.
Until she became the fully grown chicken she is today.
But Gran Gran, I haven't grown that much.
Well, some animals grow more quickly than people.
You can give Melanie a little stroke if you like.
Hello, Melanie. You're a grown-up chicken now. She's still really soft, Gran Gran.
Would you like a new photo with Melanie?
Yes, please. Yay!
This building's called the Hatchery. It's very special. To enter, we all have to be very, very quiet. Okay? Okay. Follow me. This is an incubator. We keep some of the eggs safe and warm in here until they're ready to hatch.
Look, Jojo.
Oh, wow. She's so tiny and fluffy.
Would you like to name her?
Yes, please. I like to call her, Marjorie.
Marjorie. Oh, that's a great name.
If we pop this stick next to your plant, we can measure how much it has grown. And if we draw a new line every week, we can see how much your plant is growing.
And we'll keep looking after it, just like Cynthia said. Jared! Jared!
JoJo!
Come on,
Whoa,
Jared!
whoa,
I've
whoa.
got something to show you. Cynthia!
Oh! What's all this?
I need to show you something.
Uh-huh.
My plant has grown a flower!
Awesome, JoJo. It looks just like a trumpet.
And you must have been taking really good care of it too.
I love butterflies. Butterfly. Butterfly. Oh, you're not a butterfly.
Oh, do you know what this is, JoJo?
It's not in my nature tick book.
This is a caterpillar.
Hello, little caterpillar.
Finding this caterpillar means, in a way, we've almost found a butterfly.
Almost found a butterfly? What do you mean, Gran Gran? This little caterpillar is nothing like a butterfly. It's little and furry, and it doesn't have wings.
That's true, but one day, this furry little caterpillar will change into a butterfly with beautiful, colourful wings.
Really? This little caterpillar will change into a butterfly?
It's amazing. A caterpillar hatches from a tiny egg. Then the caterpillar eats, and eats until it's ready to change.
Into a butterfly?
Not yet. It needs a bit more time. Once the caterpillar has eaten enough, it hangs upside down and changes into a chrysalis.
Ooh, it looks like a leaf, Gran Gran.
It does, doesn't it? The caterpillar stays that way for a long time as it changes into a
Butterfly!
with beautiful, colourful wings.
Wow, that's amazing.
JoJo